I started making videos way back in 2019, if you can believe it. One of my first was about a meal I came up with when I was but a wee lad. I call it Bachelor salad. Seriously, I was a teenager when I started making this. The video was a complete train wreck because I didn't know what I was doing, and luckily less than 100 people have seen it because it's embarrassing, it's bad. But it did start this channel down a new path and turned out to be pretty good so far. So this recipe is just too good to be lost. I have to do a redo on this. I don't usually do that, but this time hopefully less of a train wreck. No promises. All right, let's make a bachelor salad. Okay, this is technically a salad at heart. Okay, don't let the cheeseburger on the top of it fool you. That cheeseburger, by the way, is a 1/3 pound of 80-20 ground chuck with just some salt and pepper on it. It's just a simple thing right there, not too much. I used a 4.5-inch burger ring. There's probably video of me doing that here. Measured this out to 5.33 ounces and formed it in, then just seasoned it up. You can go up to half pound or 8 ounces if you like, but 1/4 pound, 4 ounces is just a little bit too small, at least in my experience. You can try it if you want to, but yeah, that's my experience. For this salad portion of this, I know it's hard to get out. Salad. We're making this with romaine and iceberg, but you can use any lettuce you want, really. I have a bunch of cherry tomatoes here, grape tomatoes, that are sliced in half because I really hate chasing those little buggers around the plate when they're whole. I also have some green onions sliced up here, and I have some pickles that I just sliced up here. And these are bread and butter sweet pickles. Dill pickles would work fine. I have a slice of red onion here that I like to do this with just some olive oil and some salt. That tastes so good with this when this goes on the grill. I have a secret ingredient that I'll be putting on at the end, but if I tell you now, you won't have to stick around. Just kidding. No, it is not bacon. I've tried bacon on this, but in my opinion, it changes the flavor enough that it no longer feels like you're eating a salad. More like you forgot to get hamburger buns at the store. If you're okay with that, go for it. They don't ruin the experience at all, merely the illusion. The cheese I always use is cheddar, but I'm a cheddar guy. Try whatever you like. American would work fine with this, anything really. Basically, all we have to do now is go to the grill, get this grilled up, come back, throw it together, assemble this thing, and we've got a bachelor salad. This is really easy. All right, this just cooks up like a regular burger. I put the onions down on the grill first, let them cook up. They take longer than anything else. Give the patty about 2 minutes and then flip it. You don't want this rare. Medium or above is best, really. That rare thing just doesn't go well with the salad. Flip the onion and add the cheese and get that all melted, and basically that's about it. Let's go assemble the salad. Alright, I'm back and I'm ready to put this all together. I did a quick chop on the grilled onions right here. Let's get them on here real fast because this is important. Now I'm putting all the really the good stuff, all the treats around the edges. This kind of goes that way. That's the way this is. Don't need that much red onion. That's a lot. Alright, the next thing is the Thousand Island. I have tried everything, and in my opinion, this is the only choice. Ranch, blue cheese, anything like that just doesn't seem to work very well. Russian dressing might be okay if they made that in the past 30 or 40 years, but in the 9 years since I came up with this recipe, give or take a couple of decades, this is the best choice. So we're just going to put this on here, and we're going to put a lot of it. Yes, we are. And I'm going to put this in a grid pattern because you're going to eat the whole thing, and this is even distribution, more or less. See, I told you. A lot. That's a ridiculous amount of Thousand Island. You're going to thank me for that. If you don't like that much Thousand Island, don't use it. All right, so we have the burger here. It has rested a moment or two, and it is going on. Hopefully, we didn't undercook it. We'll see. I don't know. It's like 50 degrees out there with gusts to 40 to 60. Grill's having a hard time keeping up. So, cooked it a couple extra minutes. hoping it's cooked enough. We'll find out. There's a lot of blood in that pan. Makes me nervous. But yeah, the next thing here is to cut this up, and then we're going to put our secret ingredient on it. But cut this ahead of time. It makes life so much easier. Hey, look at that. We're about medium. Perfect. Little pink. Nice warm center. Perfect. Get this cut up. Oh yeah. And this, you'll notice that when I put this down, there's kind of a soft spot in the middle, a little bit of a thin spot in the nest, shall we say. That is for a very good reason. And when you eat this, I won't tell you what it is, but when you eat this, you'll go, oh yeah, there it is. So make sure you do that. And this picked up all the goodness, so oh my goodness, we're gonna have to do that. Okay, what is in this? What could be here? What could be in this? You are dying to find out. And I said it's not bacon. It's crispy fried onions. Yes, the little like French's toppers things or whatever. Those aren't necessarily the best ones, but these are amazing. I put these on the grill because they're kind of stale when they come out of the package. These come out of a different thing, not the tube. A couple of them got burnt because it's on the grill. But just grab and toss this around. This is magical. This just is so good. You're thinking, well, if you can put that on there, why can't you put bacon on there? Yeah, I didn't say you couldn't put bacon on here. I just said, in my opinion, it destroys the illusion of I'm eating a salad. It just feels like I didn't have any buns. So, thought I was going to throw it. I'm not. This right here, folks, is the Bachelor salad. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? It's beautiful, isn't it? But enough talking. Let's get to eating. Let's dig in and eat this work of art. You're going to want to know what this tastes like. You're going to have to make this at home and follow along. But what I do is grab some lettuce, get a tomato, some pickles, a little bit of meat. Oh yeah. Any salad that starts with fire up the grill is a winner in my book. The sort of thing a bachelor would do, right? I love this thing, and it's been a regular rotation in my house since I first came up with it. Simple, delicious, and slightly healthy. Alright, there you go. Now, I can say I ate a salad. I can't promise you'll lose weight with this, but it is very healthy, and your doctor will be happy. You'll be happy too, and now we're all happy. What a great day, huh? Thanks so much for watching this. I'll see you next time here on How to Cook. See you later. Bye.